What are we making today? That's the question. Well, the Division Bell. So it's a Mezcal cocktail, and it includes Aperol. I've been a big kind of hit or miss fan with Aperol. I feel like it takes command of the cocktail a little bit too much, at least in the ones I've had. But I'm willing to try it. The Mezcal should kind of even that out with the smokiness. And then we're going to get a little bit of the sweetness from the Maraschino Liqueur. And I'm kind of intrigued by this. My hopes aren't extremely high, but I'm willing to try it. So let's go ahead and make it and see how it is. All right, so here we go. This is the Division Bell. If you notice, I did a giant garnish, and that's because it's a giant fruit. So, small amount of liquor, giant fruit. I just went all in. You don't have to do that, but I felt like it, so that's where we're at. All right, so I'm gonna try not to poke myself out with this giant weapon of a grapefruit slice or peel, but we'll see how it is. The nose is, how would you have guessed? Grapefruit. Wow. Let's try it. Oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mm. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. 9.5. That's what it is. 9.5 out of 10. All right. So you're getting the smokiness of the Mezcal. Aperol does not kill the drink. I think it adds a nice bitterness to it, nice tartness. And it kind of like radiates well with the Mezcal. I am extremely impressed how that does with it. The Luxardo maybe sweetens it. I don't taste it. Lime juice, of course, just enhances the kind of flavors of agave-based spirits, tequila, mezcal, all that. Overall, excellent drink. For not being an Aperol fan, this is a really good cocktail. I'll give it that. I do like mezcal though, so that's what'll do it. If you don't like mezcal and you don't like Aperol, you're not gonna like this cocktail. I'll tell you that. You're welcome to try, but very good. A small amount of liquor. Now, it is basically all liquor that you're mixing besides the lime juice. But the Aperol and the Mezcal smokiness just plays excellent in this. It caught me off guard. The grapefruit slice, I don't know why it's really in there. Maybe because it's like grapefruit colored. Yeah, I mean, sure. Except I had to go out to the grocery store and go buy a grapefruit just for this video to garnish it. So what am I going to do with you? I'm about to make palomas or something. Or softball. One hit and this thing's done. Okay. All right, I'll put it down. So, yeah, really good cocktail. I'd recommend it. 9.5. I'm going to stand on that. Maybe it's because I've had a few drinks already. Could be. The world will never know. Overall, like and subscribe. I want to keep making videos like this, and more cocktails on the way. Let me know if there's any cocktails you made or you want me to make, and I'll make them on here. How about that? All right. I'm going to finish this sucker off.